Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create animated videos for free without being a professional editor. So here I'm going to show you how you can use AI text to video generators to turn your ideas into animations in just minutes. Whether you're making YouTube videos, social media content, or school projects, AI make it super easy to generate animated videos with just text. Let's go step by step. So the first step, you can choose your AI video generator. Some popular ones are Picture AI, InVideo AI, Canva AI Video Maker, or Runway for advanced user. And most of them have free plans, so you can start without paying. And next, you can just write your script or prompt. So for example, here I'm going to use Canva AI. You can click on this Canva AI tab first and then just write the prompt in here. For example, I'm going to just go with create an animated explainer video about healthy eating, like that. For example, here you can click on this one, create a video clip and choose the style. Here I'm going to go with animated, then you can just hit on enter and the AI will generate the clip. Okay, so my clip is done in here. You can just preview it first by clicking on this play button. Sorry. Just play it like this. And then here you can customize your video by editing it again. You can click on this use Canva editor and you can just add voice, you can add subtitles or maybe add logos to the clip. And after that, you can just export your video in HD and share it on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's it. You've just created an animated video using AI for free. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Thank you.